Discover the rising hype behind Nike basketball's newest standout, the A'ja Wilson A1 Dog Mom. Nike hits another home run as A'ja Wilson's first signature shoe continues to dominate the basketball scene with fresh, story-driven colorways. This latest violet dust, pearl pink, barely rose, and pink spell makeover brings a playful, spring-ready vibe inspired by Wilson's love for her three Aussiedoodles, Ace, Deuce, and Trey. The design celebrates her personal journey, her WNBA championships, and the unique bond with her pets, who even have their own social media presence. Fans can expect the Nike A1 Dog Mom to release soon on Nike.com and select retailers for $115, making it one of the most anticipated signature drops of the season. If you're into performance, storytelling, and must-cop sneaker releases, this pair deserves a spot on your radar. Stay tuned for more Nike basketball updates and detailed looks at the A1 lineup.